What's going on, everybody? First, I wanted to tell you how invaluable having a digital gram scale, or ounces, whatever, but mostly for grams, because that's what all your food is basically measured in. So right here, how am I supposed to tell when my serving size is in these super lightweight glass noodles? There, sweet potato, glass noodles. So basically, I'm only going to be able to figure that out if I have a scale that's sensitive enough to weigh it. Alright, so right here, one serving size, where are we at? 25 grams of weight, right there. Serving size, 25 grams of weight. Carbohydrates, 22 grams out of that. So this is mostly carbohydrate. So there's 4 servings. So let's pour them out and see what's in there. So remember, 25 grams of weight. And there's roughly 2 servings right there. So this is about 44 grams of carbohydrates. Now, if I would just eyeball that and I didn't know how much was in there at the beginning, I wouldn't know what a fourth of that was. If this has 4 servings per container, I might have thought that was all of it. So anyway, so you have to have a gram scale, and that'll tell you how much. And there's so many other things you can do, especially making good coffee, all sorts of stuff, measuring everything. Just get super precise, and it makes everything just better. So if that's how you're going to track stuff, this is how to become a good cook, everything. You don't have to do this all the time. The more you use this scale, we can tear it out, and then it's back to 0, and then we can add things on top of that. So anyway, we know that this was roughly 50 grams, 48 grams. So here are 2 servings of rice noodles right there. And all I know, how am I going to measure that? In a cup? Not going to do it. I'm not going to be able to measure that on an analog scale. So you need a digital scale just like this. So once again, I can take that off if I forgot what it was, and I can put it back on, and it'll be 0. Boom, there we go. So digital scale, $20 to $30. That's easy. I've used this for years. It's very sensitive. It's awesome. And you actually do a couple pounds, but like I said, we're going for light stuff, so you need this. You need a digital scale. You can grab this anywhere, Amazon, whatever. But things like this, sweet potato glass noodles that are super light, are really easy to find out how much. So anyway, digital gram scale. Just a couple batteries, lasts forever. Alright, swing this out.